Welcome back to Frontline News. I am Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Inflows to the government's coffers continue to remain above target. Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison on Tuesday told Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee that tax collection for the April to November period was strong.
It's better than the program deficit of 5.5 billion. The primary surplus of 94.1 billion is 14.2 billion, or 17.71% more than the 79.9 billion anticipated in the first supplementary estimates. This favorable fiscal performance resulted from a combination of higher than projected revenue and grants and lower than programmed expenditure. Revenue and grants were ahead of the first supplementary estimates by 4.8 billion, or 1.2%, driven mainly by the strong performance of tax revenue, which was 5.1 billion better than the first supplementary budget.
And Ms. Morrison says tax collections are forecast to remain ahead of projection for the rest of the 2019-2020 fiscal year.
Non-tax revenue was broadly in line with the budget. The above-the-line expenditure at in November 2019 was $12.1 billion, or 3% lower than that projected in the first supplementary, due mainly to lower spending on recurrent activities. And recurrent activities would include programs, compensation of employees, and interest payments. Recurrent expenditure fell short of the revised budget by $6.6 billion. Contributing to this underspend were shortfalls in programs of $3.2 billion due to slower than programmed implementation of some activities.
Listed company Caribbean Producers Jamaica has announced significant changes to its management structure. The role of Director of Finance was made redundant on January 6. The role of Chief Information Officer has been introduced to enable the company to continue its strategic plan of technology-driven growth. Alejandro Sanchez has been appointed to the post. He previously held the position of Vice President of Information Technology with the Traffan Group. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 3,055 points to close at under 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 70 stocks, of which 30 advanced, 32 declined, and 8 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 12 points to close at just over 3,000 units. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, Berger Paints Jamaica, Caribbean Cement, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. Stocks declined for AMG Packaging and Paper, Burita Investments, Blue Power Group, Derriman Trading Company, and Dolphin Cove Limited. Trading firm were Jamaican Teas Limited, Key Insurance Company, Portland JSX Limited, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Salada Foods Jamaica. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial was the volume leader with 10.6 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 9.2 million units and JMMB Group Limited with 4.3 million units. Now for the foreign exchange. And news in oil. Oil was mixed on Wednesday as worries about the impact of the coronavirus outbreak and swelling crude inventories in the United States weighed on prices, while talk that OPEC could extend oil output cuts provided support. Brent crude futures gained 9 cents at $59.60 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures fell 32 cents to $53.16 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.